Hey guys, make sure to stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses, relays are located for the telematics system communication integration module on Chevy Equinox, that generation from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find these fuses, relays. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. Also, we will share, guys, in the description of the video below where you can get replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, the telematics, also known as communication integration module, fuses, relays, we'll show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location in Diagram. Check it out. It's a very, very helpful video, guys. Here, coming on the front right passenger side, you open the front right door and you're going to come to the footwell compartment on the passenger side. In front of the seat, on the center console, you see right here there is a cover. That cover you grab and pull it out, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for the telematics communication integration module, fuses, relays, let's explain what we need to check. First we'll talk about the fuse. Starting in this row right here, guys, if you look at that row, this fuse on top, it's a fuse, it's different size, it's J-case, but that's fuse 29. Then you go to 30, 31, 32, 33. That fuse, guys, 33, that's the telematics fuse, the communication integration module fuse, guys, okay, that you need to check. What about relays? You don't have any relays, but if you still don't have power to that module, we recommend to check the fuses and the relays for the body control module, BCM module, fuses, relays. Video will be on the channel for any of you needing that help. Guys, now, one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.